Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by organizing your source data so links are deterministic. Put addresses in one column and optional lat/long in adjacent columns. Next, choose whether you want a file path, folder, or web map link. This changes the formula you use. Open the workbook, make sure editing is enabled, and name the cells or use absolute references so links survive moves. Once done, you're ready to build the first hyperlink formula and test it immediately to confirm the target type. Now build the actual link with the hyperlink function, hyperlink target label. If you're creating a map link, concatenate the base map URL and the encoder of the address or lat, long so spaces and commas work correctly. For local files, use the absolute path or UNC path, and for folders, append a trailing slash when needed. Make sure to reference cells with $ if copying formulas. Once done, drag to fill and verify several sample rows to confirm behavior. Finish by formatting the link column and optionally protecting the sheet so labels remain tidy. You can also convert formulas to values if you need static links. Once done, test links on another device and in a browser to ensure map providers resolve addresses correctly. If something goes wrong, first check your encoder usage and whether quotes or backslashes are escaped properly. Also confirm network permissions for UNC paths and make sure Excel's Trust Center isn't blocking external content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.